Okay guys, I think this is going to be exciting. This is the new set of Breakers of Shadow, and on the front is the Enlightenment Paladin, and he's actually one of the cards I want to get because, at least for my deck. But I think we'll crack some packs open and see what we get in these. So hopefully, man, I'm hoping these are the good ones. I have no idea. If I do get some just regular super rares, I'm hoping for those Cosmos. Magic Spectre, Forbidden Aquafia, Form Pal, Reject, Reborn as the rare, and Interrupted Kaiju Slumber as the super rare. Super Heavy, Engraver of the Mark, Destruction Swordsman Fusion. The other card I'm looking for is that Buster Blader Fusion. God, I hope it's in here. I just kind of wasted some cash money. Enlightenment Paladin, come on! Heart of the cards. Dynamis Rush. Magic Spectre Sonics. Sea Castrum. High Speed Roid. Goita. Tuning Magician. Dang, that card I might actually be able to use in my deck. So, keep that one over here. Super Heavy Samurai, Performance Hurricane, Dynamis, Dragon's Bind. So if you know these boxes, they come in a specific order, and I didn't guess the order right. So I'm probably going to get all super rares in here. Perform Pal, Bit Bite Turtle, Power Mighty Draco Slayer, Dragon Fusion. Oh, Twin Twisters, that's one of the pricey super rares. So that's a good one. That's a good pull right there. Bad Luck Blast, Solo the Melodious Songstress, Shiranui, Style Synthesis, Form Pal Rain Goat. I almost said Raincoat, but it's Rain Goat. So I might have made my money back already on the super rares. So we got Super Heavy Samurai Prep Defense, Twilight Ninja Shingetsu, Lumirage. Oh, that's a pretty cool looking card. Steel Cavalry Denon, Dinosaur Pendulum card. Is the rare? Yeah! Kozmo Soartroopers! And they look just like the Stormtroopers from Star Wars, so if you're a Star Wars fan, I definitely recommend building that Kozmo deck. I'm a Star Wars fan, but that deck's a little pricey, so I'm slowly building it. Let's say it's half built. Dynamis Bakion, Destruction Sword Flash, Super Heavy Samurai Magnet, Shiranui Style Swallow Slash. Dang, these Shiranui cards look pretty cool. I don't think I'll build a deck of them, but they are cool. And the last couple packs here. Come on, Enlightenment Paladin. Or something. Forbidden Prokofia. Mistaken Accusation. Cosmo Delta Shuttle. Cosmo card up here. Godarla, the Mystery Dust Kaiju. And Red Eyes Retro Dragon. So this is all going to be super rares, probably. Dragon's Bind, Despot 007, Twilight Ninja Nichiren, the Tuning, and Performance Hurricane. The last pack of the cards here. Dragon Buster Destruction Sword. This is for the new Buster Blader. What do you call it? Support, I guess. Try to get this focused there. Anyways, Shiranui Samurai. Some pal Trump girl. This is Donald Trump as a performer pal. Dynamis Terran and Chimera Tech Rampage Dragon. I'm not sure if that's any good. I hope it's good. I don't know if it's focused. It's hard to focus sometimes with the foil. Super Heavy Samurai General Jade, Dynamist Brachion, Dynamist Stegosaur, and Soul Melodious Songstrokes. Melodious cards are alright. So let's see if I can find some of these rares in here that I pulled. We'll go through them real quick. See what we got. Got High Speed Roid I might use. These are the commons. That was kind of a sham right there. So for our rares, just to recap, we got Reject Reborn, High Speed Roid Hagoita, Dinosaur. Dang, it's hard to read. Dinosaur the Mighty Draco Slayer, Dynamis Pteran, Garla the Mystery Dust Kaiju, Steel Cavalry of Dinon. And for our supers and the cards I like, got Red Eyes Retro Dragon, Interrupted Kaiju Slumber, Chimera Tech Rampage Dragon, Kozmo Delta Shuttle as a common, Kozmo Soartroopers, Twin Twisters, probably the best card we pulled, and Tuning Magician. So that's definitely going to go into my deck. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and like, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Peace.